This is a helpful guide to repairing your loose toilet seat for the American Standard Clean model. It comes with a quick release, slow close seat. The first thing you'll do is you want to put the seat up, which we'll see in just a moment. Okay. Now, to remove the seat, there are two buttons, one on the left, one on the right in the interior. I'll point them out for you. Okay, and what you do is you're going to push both of them at the same time. You'll pull the seat straight up, and voila, the seat is off. Okay, now underneath that are two posts, and they can become loose. But how to tighten them? That's a cover. You simply remove the cover and the seat. Probably you don't want to put those on your hand, but oh well. All right, underneath we have a bolt and we have a screw, and you tighten the screw. It takes a Phillips head screwdriver. Then you're going to put the cover back on. And you want to test the bolts and see if they are now secure. They are. Okay, so all we need to do is put the slow close seat back on, and you do that by going straight down from a 90-degree angle onto those posts. And then, to be sure, you want to test both sides to make sure you don't have left to right movement or forward and back, and you're all done.